Okay, power on. With this switch we can change the rake of the blade depending upon the thickness of material you're cutting. You can manually activate it. Or through the foot pedal. The jog mode for checking blade gap, you just bump it down to ring it back up, put it in automatic. The back gauge is manually controlled. This is forward. Increase the RPM of the motor. As you come close to your dimension, you can slow it down and then come up right onto your prescribed distance. The rapid back is the same. And if you don't want the back gauge, just turn it off. Then you can cut material by a shadow line. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.